Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your forward focus mirror indicator. First, gather your essential tools like a small flathead screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement indicator unit ready before you begin. Working in a well-lit area will help you see all the small clips and connections clearly, making the process much smoother. Now let's get to removing the old indicator. Gently adjust the mirror glass to create space, then carefully pry it off to access the internal components. You'll find clips holding the mirror cap in place. Use your trim tool to release them. Once the cap is off, locate the old indicator unit, unclip it, and disconnect its electrical connector. Take your time to avoid damaging any plastic tabs. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new indicator. First, connect the electrical plug to the new indicator, ensuring a secure connection. Then, carefully align the new indicator with its housing and push it firmly until it clips securely into place. Finally, reattach the mirror cap, making sure all clips are properly seated, and then reinsert the mirror glass. After installation, it's crucial to test your new mirror indicator. Turn on your car and activate the turn signal to confirm it's flashing correctly. Double-check all connections and ensure the mirror cap is fully secured. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your forward focus mirror indicator. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.